Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix GPS is not working in Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. If you're using S21 FE and you're facing the issue that your GPS is not working or you're facing inaccurate GPS or location issues. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, I recommend you have to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data because in most of cases your issue is the network, that your internet is slow or any issue with your internet. So you might get this type of issues. So I also recommend you have to enable and disable your flight mode for up to 5 to 10 times, or you can also minimize it to 5 times. So just enable and disable your airplane mode up to 5 times to make a quick refresh with your Netflix settings. So once you have done, you have to make sure that your location is enabled. Then keep a long press on your location from here to directly go to location services, go to app permissions, and here just look for the app with which you're facing the issue. So let's say I'm facing this issue with my maps. Just open maps here, and you have to make sure that you have allowed it. So you can allow all the time, or you can also allow on the head using the app. I'm going to select allow all the time here. That also enable this toggle to use precise location, so it will allow Google Maps or Maps app to use your accurate or approximate location. Once I've enabled, just go back and now retry or recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. But if you're still facing the same issue, so go to Maps app, keep a long press on it, then click on this info icon or I button to open app settings. Now once you are here, just scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache, and then click on clear data, click on delete. So it will fix if there will be any chunk file or any issue or any glitch with your Maps app. Or you can also try to update your maps from your Play Store. Just go to Play Store, search for Maps or Google Maps here. I'm gonna search for Maps. So here's the Google Maps at the top. You have to make sure that you haven't any pending update. If you find any update button, just try to update your app. So after updating, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. So once you have done, you can try to make a restart with your device because sometimes it might be that there will be any issue with your device. Or the more or the further thing, you can check that your phone is not connected to any kind of VPN or you're not showing any VPN icon over here, or you have to also make sure that you haven't installed any VPN. So if you might see that your phone is connected to any VPN, just try to disconnect that, and after disconnecting, just scroll in control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and click on restart again to make a restart with your device. And after restarting, you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.